The following video will assist you with setting up TechPro SS on your mobile device. It is important to note that we already have ports forwarded and are using a DDNS service in this example. This will require additional steps, so please feel free to contact technical support for any assistance with this. Once you're at the home screen, select Camera. Now select the icon on the upper left-hand corner and select Device Manager. Now hit the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. Now select Wired Device and select IP Domain. Our first setting here will be our home setting. This will be our local IP address and to be used only when you're at the location of the camera or recorder. And we're going to use the custom port. If you do change it, make sure it reflects here. And the custom username and password. And live preview and playback will both change those to main. This will allow us a better quality and will allow you to do playback. Just go ahead and type in that password again there. Now select Start Live Preview, and once you do that, it'll connect and actually save to your device. So as you can see here, we have our live image. Now we're going to go ahead and add the away setting. So go back to Device Manager, hit the plus icon. This is just telling you to initialize your device. Now select Wired Device and IP Domain again. And this is our away setting, so we'll go ahead and type in away. And in the address, you can either use your public IP address or use a DDNS. If you have any questions about what that is, please contact technical support. And if you purchase the equipment from us, we can set you up with one for no charge. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just type in our username and password. And again, we'll change live preview and playback both to main. Select Done and then Start Live Preview. Now you want to make sure your Wi-Fi is disabled for this to actually connect, because this is for away and it should not work if you're home and on Wi-Fi. That's why we have two different settings for that. Okay, so now you see we have a live image here. You go ahead and double tap it to make it full screen. And then you have your different grids on the bottom left-hand corner. You have the 4 squares in one box. Now we'll go over the playback feature. Go and select the icon in the upper left-hand corner and go to Playback. And select the plus on one of the empty squares. And here you can choose your time and date. Okay, you can also select your record type, and here we'll select our camera, which is camera 1. Now we have our timeline in blue. You could use your finger to slide left and right to get to the time that you'd like. Okay, now to back up footage directly to your device, you'll select the scissor icon. Find your starting point. Hit the scissor on the left. Find your end point, hit the scissor on the right. Then I'll ask you if you want to download the footage. Okay, now to find that, you'll hit the icon on the upper left-hand corner and go to Local Files. This will now take you to your video file. Once it's done, just go ahead and tap it, and you can now play your file. I hope this video was helpful. Please contact technical support if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching.